Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? Okay, that's good. I am Babylin Monte Carlos and I am the fourth reporter of the Group 5. So, my topic for today is the methods of computing final grade. So, there are two methods of computing the final grades, the averaging method and the cumulative method. So, the computing the final grades, nakadepende siya sa policy sa school or the colleges and the universities. In case of the public elementary and secondary school, the averaging method is utilized as defined in the DepEd Order number 33 series of 2004. So, sa public and sa secondary school, ang averaging method is utilized siya sa in the DepEd Order, sa itong number gani, number 33 series of 2004. Very good. So the first common method is the averaging method. In this method, the weights of the grades of each grading period are equal. So this method, guys, treats each of the four grading period as equally important. It's like finding the average of all the grades throughout the year. This is the formula of the averaging method. Okay? Final grade equal the first grading plus second grading plus third grading and plus fourth grading grade nimo sa first to fourth nimo dira i-divide nimo siya sa 4. So you add up the grade in each of the four grading periods. The first to fourth nimo nga grade i-add nimo tanan, then you divide the total sum by 4 kay upat man ka grading period. So the result is the final grade for that subject. So mo na ang imong grade nimo sa kana nga subject. Sige, example ani kang Benjamin Math 5. So example kang Benjamin Math 5. Muna siya ang iyahang grado sa first to fourth. Ang iyang first grading is 89, second is 92, ang third grading is 94, and the fourth grading is 96. So ato na siyang gamit na itong formula sa averaging method. So muna ang formula. So ato na siyang i-add tanan. Pag humanog add, i-divide nimo siya sa 4. So, ang result sa 371 divided by 4 is 92.75. So, muna siya ang grado final grade ni Benjamin sa Math 5. Okay, so it's a straightforward way to see the overall performance in a subject. It's easy to understand and calculate. Diba, easy lang siya pag-calculate nimo o pagsabot sa formula. Okay, din na ta sa atong ikaduha nga common method sa pag-compute sa grades. Ang ikaduha is ang cumulative method. So in this method, the final grade gives a higher weight on the present grade than the previous grade. So mas dakog weight ang imuhang present grade kaysa sa imuhang previous nga grado. So the percentage of the present and previous grades will depend on the policy of the school. Nakadepende gihapon ang paghatag og percentage nga grado sa eskwelahan. Depende sa inyong policy. Example, numerical ba or letter? Basta daghan pa to nga example ni man siya nga mga percentage. Okay, most especially in the private school as defined by the manual private school or as defined in their grading policies. Okay, for example, of cumulative method is the sum of 1/3 of the third grading and the 2/3 of the fourth grading. This means that the fourth grading grade count twice as much as the third grading grade. Diba? This reflects that your recent performance is more indicative of your learning. Okay. Ito siya ang formula sa cumulative method. Okay, so final grade equal 1/3 times nimo siya sa imong third grading grade or TGG plus 2/3 i-times nimo siya sa imong fourth grading grade. or FGG. So, muna siya ang formula sa cumulative method. So, you multiply the third grading grade by 1/3 and fourth grading grade by 2/3. Then, you add those two results together, then the result is your final grade. Hinakasabtan ba nato, class? Sabtan ba nato ang formula sa cumulative method? Okay, so, pagtanaw sa screen, muna siya ang grado ni Christopher Ryan sa Math 5. Okay, atong kwaon diha ang third o fourth, kay mo man atong i-compute, kay mo man ayahang recent nga grade. So, atong i-copy dira at ang formula. Ang formula, di ba, kay 1/3 times third grading grade plus 2/3 times fourth grading grade. So, atong i-copy na ang formula sa cumulative method. So, mao ni siya ang formula. Pagkahuman, ang iyang third grading grade, di ba, is mao ni ang 94. Mao ni atong i-copy dira, Tapos, ang iyang fourth grading grade is 96. Then, sa ubos na siya is 94 times 1 equals 94. Divide 3 plus 96 times 2 equals 192. I-divide nimo sa 3. Okay, so 94 divided by 3 is 31.33 plus 192 divided by 3 equals 64. Pagkahuman is i-plus nato ang 31.33 plus 64. So, ang answer iana is 95.33. Ang na-total is 95.33. Mo na siya ang final grade sa math ni Christopher. So, the cumulative method, it can help the students improve the performance in the later grading periods. So, muna to ako ang report, guys. Wala na mga pangutana, mga clarification. Okay, that will be all. Thank you.